Hi Ritisha, good to see you back. Shyam, Vishnu, Ram, Ashwik, good to see you back. Who has not come today? Vidyut has not come. Who else? Let me remind them. Can we go ahead? But some of them are not there. Let me see. Swarit is there? Let me see. Where is Swarit? Oh, Swarit is not in here. Who else is not in here? I see. Vidyut is not in here. Oh, yep. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. Okay. All of you are doing geometry in school this year, right? Ashwik, you're not doing geometry in school this year, right, Ashwik?
No.
You know what, Ashwik? I really want you to take up geometry as your. I know, I understand you're afraid for the GPA and stuff. See what is the avenue you have to take geometry. Okay, otherwise it's useless, right, Ashwik? At the
Yes.
end of the year, okay, see what avenues you have discussed with your mom. Make sense?
Yeah.
Hi,
Yep.
Priyanti.
Hi, Vidyut.
Sorry for being late. I just came back from the park with my friends.
It's okay. That's nice that you enjoyed at the park.
Thank you.
Yep. Shall we go? Okay, I think we are nicely level ahead in geometry. What I thought, okay, I was going through what all we have covered, but let's see where we are, okay? Because when school starts, they'll also rush, right? So if I'm right, you guys know how to find midpoints, distance formula, all that stuff, right? If I ask you
Yeah.
to find fractional distance, you'll be able to do. See, those are the parts that I have not covered as a part of the regular math geometry class I cover. Let's say what I'm asking is, I'm also going to go over that a little bit, okay? Give me a minute. You logged in, huh? Let's see. Okay, I'll deal with it later. Now, I really want to go to the other classroom and I want to make sure you guys know what they're also doing. I feel like that's quite important. Advanced geometry. Okay, let me give you one or two problems from fraction. Yes, this is what I want you to do. Okay, let's see this one. Mm, yeah, this is what I want. Okay, would you be able to do this one? Let's see whether you're able to do this one. Mm. You don't know, we'll see, guys, but I think you should be able to, okay, based on knowledge. I've not separately taught you this one, okay, I understand, but at the same time, I feel like you should be able to do. I just want to revise so that we don't leave these concepts. You'll be able to do these? Yeah, exactly. Oops. How many of you would not be okay if I extend the class by half an hour today? You know why? Why I'm asking? Let Swarit also come. Why I'm asking is next week I'm not sure whether I'm available. That's why I don't know this. It's not like I'll not be available, but I don't know. But if in case we don't have today's class, I'll definitely have next week's class. I don't know because I'm going out. Would be nice if we can finish it today, but let's see. This week and the next week after. But if you're not available, it's okay. Let's see.
Yeah, dear sent my answer.
Wow, that's good. 26, let's see. Take your time, try. You want a harder problem?
Wait, okay. I sent the wrong answers.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. 26, huh? I need to check. How are you guys doing? Hey, hey, hey. Find the point P I've asked. Why are you giving me some distance?
Yeah, that's why.
Auntie, I just came. So, is this the
No
Priya?
worries. That's the first problem we are working on. What I said was the general advanced geometry class studies all this first. Okay. For you,
Mhm.
the way the book is structured is different, right? So when you go to your school, right, I really want you to be comfortable with geometry. That was the intent, right? So I'm trying to cover whatever I have missed to cover
Mhm.
for you, but I've covered in a advanced geometry class.
Oh, okay.
Got it? Yeah. This will be a part of your school.
Miss
Okay.
Priya, do you want like a fraction or
Mhm.
decimal?
Seema, it will be a coordinate point, right? Ma, find the point P that
Oh,
partitions the directed line segment in the ratio. How do you do it? Think about it.
all right. Okay.
You know how to do?
I think so. I have an idea at least.
Yeah. Amazing. That's right. We have not done this, right, Shyam?
Yeah,
Yeah, we have
it's
not
really
done.
easy though.
It is, I don't know. It depends how we think. I wanted to explain to you. I just want to understand how you're doing it as well.
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll do it on the board.
Sure, sure. Take your time.
Okay. So first you have to do -6 -8, which equal to -14. So it's in ratio 5 by
Uh-huh.
2.
Uh-huh. So you're
So
finding the distance, okay? You're finding the distance on the X point, correct?
yeah, yeah, you have to
Correct.
do 5 plus 2, which is 7, and then you have to multiply these 2 by 2. So it's ratios now 10 by 14. So as we can see, the ratio is now 10. So we have to do -6 plus 10, which is 4. So the first part is 4. Then
Wow.
for
Wait,
this,
let me understand what you did. -6, -8. Okay. And then?
which is -14, and then
Correct.
I
And
did
then what
5
did you
plus
do?
2. So I did 5 plus 2. I added both
7.
the
Total
ratios.
parts. Total
Then-
parts is 7. Okay.
So I did so I did 5 times 2, 2 times 2, which is
10 is to
10 by
2.
14.
Hmm.
So I did
10 is to 4, right?
what? Yeah. So I did -6 plus 10, which is 4. So this first part is 4.
Plus 10. Where does this 10 come from?
It came from the ratio 10 by 14. Mm, yeah, no, yeah,
10 by 14, huh?
10, no, 10 by 4. My God,
10 by 4, right?
yeah, Be- yeah, because I multiplied these 2 by 2.
Okay.
So to find the second part, you have to do minus 2. No, you have to do 2 times 2, which is 4. I'll see what it.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So then after that you have to do uh, so minus 2 minus 12 is minus 14. So we have to do
That's correct.
yeah. So we have to do mine 14. No, we have to do minus 2 plus
Is it?
plus 10, which is equal to 8. So the answer is this.
That's nice. Good job, Sham. Very nice. Okay, let me go over once. Okay, guys, I really want you to. I with okay. Let's start with 4. Let's start with 8. Okay, if I want to find out what is 3/4 of this, what is the point 3/4 of this distance? What do you do? Meaning, I want to do it in a line. I want to do it in a number line. Okay, so I just want to find out what is the point that's 3/4 of this distance. For that, what do you do? Think about it. So I will start from my starting point 4 and then add what? 3/4 of the distance. What is the distance? I will do 8 minus 4. Does it make sense? That's what I do, right? If I do that, it will say 4 plus 3 is 7. So my point would be this is 3/4 of the distance, correct? So basically, I start with my starting point and then add 3/4 of the distance. Correct, guys? Same thing you need to do. First of all, let me plot out minus 6 minus 2. I will plot out, guys, every time. Minus 6 minus 2. Okay. And then 8 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 and 12. Okay, this is D, this is C. So for this distance, right? C and D, right? Now C will be minus 6 minus 2. Okay. Now, how do I find? See, directed line segment. You know what is directed line segment? Meaning you're starting from C and ending in D, not the other way. Please don't get confused. Directed line segment means starting point is correct. C to D. That is where you need to consider. It should be 5/7 of the distance. 5/7 of the distance is what you need to find out. How do you find out? First of all, I'll take this point. Minus 6 is my starting point for X, right? Plus, I have to find out 5/7 of the distance. What do I do for that? 8 minus minus 6. Do you see? This is my ending point minus the starting point. 8 minus minus 6, which becomes 14. Right? So that would be minus 6 plus 10. This is exactly what Sham did. 4. You got it? Similarly for Y, what do you do? Go to the starting point, add 5/7 of the distance. What is 5/7 of the distance? 12 minus minus 2, 14. So that would be minus 2 plus 10, 8. Makes sense, guys? Yeah, this is something we didn't cover, but then I was thinking how easy it was. I don't have an answer, but yeah, as long as you understand now, we'll see more. This is a very common advanced geometry problem. See, that piece we have done it in Algebra 1 book is what I see. You guys have to remember it's all okay. That's okay. Let's see this one. I'm going to give you one fraction. We did by our ratios, right? How about this? Okay, I'll give you a challenging problem later. But for now, yeah, how about this? How about this? We'll do 1 or 2 problems in this, okay? I'll give you a separate assignment, okay? See, these things are not in the book. Sometimes I feel like, okay, AF geometry is wonderful. It's very rigorous, but at the same time, they don't target what you cover in school as well. That's okay. See, at the end, you don't have to learn whatever is taught in school. Can you do that?
And he has sent my answer.
Which one was it? Point. Okay. I'm going to give this homework. It's a challenging homework. This week I'm going to give you, okay? Take your time and do. That's right, Sham. Vidit, I'm checking your answer. Vidit, correct. Okay, now I'll give you some challenges, okay? Once everybody gets it right, I'll give you one challenge question. Done? Swarit, can you check? Ashwik, correct. Swarit, can you check the x coordinate? Ratisha, correct now.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
I kind of did a different way,
You want to
but
show us? We
yeah.
would like to know. Yeah.
So what I did is, since it's 3/4 of the distance,
Uh-huh.
I tried to do 1/4 of the distance and then multiply it by 4. So I divided the coordinates by 3 each. So
Oh, I see. Nice. See, that's yeah, very nice. Conceptually, if you understand, then it becomes so easy, right, Ashwik?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. See, each of us think differently. That's nice. Can I give you some challenging questions? What do you all think?
Auntie, I
Uh,
changed my answer.
yeah, Swarit. I'm sure you would have found out that was a silly mistake. Yeah,
Eh, I
that's right.
kind of typed the wrong number.
Oh, I see. But you understood, right? Meaning conceptually, I don't think you need anything. Let's see.
Think.
Hey, did we discuss centroid angle bisectors? No, right? I'm just getting confused between two classes, AMC 8 and this. Did we discuss centroid? No, right? Median, perpendicular bisectors, angle bisectors? We didn't, right?
We did angle bisectors and medians, but I don't know about the other ones.
No, orthocenter, circumcenter.
Wait, the ortho center is like medians, like
No,
altitudes.
altitudes, yes. But we didn't discuss in this class, right, Vidyut? You don't confuse now. I don't think, yeah, okay, okay. We'll do, because that's the next chapter 7 coming up. I'll do it slowly, okay? I'm not going to be in a hurry to do that. Let's see. But I want to cover at least 2 today. Let's see. Let's see. First, I really want to fill the gaps. Whatever we have not covered in this class, I want to cover before you go back to school.
I sent my answer, Priyanti.
Vishnuram, good job. I just saw your last answer. Um, I don't get it. 19. Somebody has given 19, 19. See, coordinate point means how do you all get 19? See, what is asked, guys?
It's kind of, it says like P is at 10 and A is at 4. So,
Yeah, plus it says on a number line. So
1 second. Okay. I did not see that honestly. Okay. I hear you guys. Try to. Before. Yeah. Yeah, Sham, it's just, yeah. You don't need to give the y coordinate. You see here, they have given it on a single X alone. You see?
Okay.
Ashwik, correct. Sham, correct. I'm waiting for the other answers. If you didn't get it, let me know, guys. I'm here to help you. Ritisha, correct one. Yeah, I really want you to try. Okay. Rest of it, I feel like I'll give it to you. Rest of it, I want to revise some algebra one. Let me see. Please don't skip. Okay. If you did not understand, let me know. Yes, Vishnuram. That's right. Sorry. Go ahead with the third one, guys. It's more of algebra one. Okay. Now I'm going to assign this to you guys. You can do. Okay. There's a list of 50 questions. Okay. We'll do one last question and after that, I'm going to leave it. Okay. I'm going to put it in the classroom. Hey, do you all think you can stay around, guys? Do you all think you can stay around till 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock CT?
yeah.
I really want everybody's input, please.
I have another class at like 8:30, so I have to leave early
8:30 now.
in like 30 minutes.
Okay. Let me check with your mom. Which one are you solving? I'm not getting your. Let's see, guys. Let's
I'm
put
solving the
some-
fourth one. I'm just sending it in like one whole answer.
Let me put some numbers. Otherwise, I am getting confused. Three.
I sent my answer for 3 and 4.
Wow. This- your answer and Sham's answer are different. Three, I'm checking. Okay. Like 3x. What is that?
Miss Priya, I sent my answer for 3 and 4.
Square minus 3x. Vidyut, can you check the second answer for the third question? Sham, that answer is.
Wait, is the second answer like 20?
Yes.
Okay.
Why did you make a mistake?
I took the root as 2 instead of -2.
Oh, wow. Okay. Hey, guys, please keep up with Alchemist as well without fail, okay? That's quite important for you to be confident in geometry. Tisha, third one doesn't make.
Does the fourth one make sense though?
I can check ma. 1 minute ma. I'm losing track of what questions. Simplest whole. No. Oh, I think that's the last question. Oh my God, we did this problem in the other class. I don't even remember how we did. No, that is not making sense. We'll see how to do. Don't remember how I did. 20 is correct, Vishnuram, but the first one doesn't seem right.
Do you want me to explain 3 since?
Yeah, let's do ma, because the answers are coming through right. Okay, let's see. Yeah, go ahead, ma. M be the midpoint of the line segment AB. Okay.
So yeah, I first drew a line and then I put M in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then I put the two equations equal to each other to find X.
Correct, ma. That's what you need to do.
And then it gives you a quadratic equation.
Correct.
Which is
X
squared.
minus 5x minus 14 equal to 0. Correct?
Yeah, and that gives you
7x plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. X times x minus 7, then minus 2 times x minus 7 equal to 0. X equal to 2 or a 7. Correct?
No, I got X plus 2 times X minus 7. Because it's minus 14. No?
Yeah,
That's how I got it.
Because it's minus 14, it's minus 7 and 2, right?
Yeah, Miss Priya, I think I made a mistake in the over here. Because shouldn't it be plus then? Because it's negative 14.
Because it's negative 14, it's minus 7x plus 2x, right?
Yeah, that part's right. I'm saying over here you wrote minus 2 times minus 7 equals negative 14, but it's minus 2 plus 7 when you multiply those two people for it.
Thank you. X minus 7. Yeah, so x equal to minus 2 and 7, right?
Yeah,
But
that's how I
did
thought
you
it was.
substitute what is asked? You guys are not answering the question at all. Find all the numerical lengths for the entire line segment. So you put now what you need to calculate is x square minus x plus 14 is the length of the segment, right? So this will be 4 plus 2 plus 14, right? 20 is one answer. The second answer would be 49 minus 7 plus 14, right? 42 plus 14 will be 56. So the possible answers are 56 and 20.
Can I ask how you got negative x over here?
Where, ma? The length of
Uh,
the segment, ma. AB length of the segment is I just added both. Because they're asking for find all possible numerical lengths for the entire line segment.
Okay, alright.
Illa,
Okay, that makes
what is that you didn't get it?
I don't get how it's a negative x when the equation was
Just adding x square minus 3x plus 2x plus 14. When you add, what happens?
oh like that. Okay, that makes more
Got it?
sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you don't get it, just stop me. It's okay. We'll do it 2-3 times. Yes, Vishnu Ram, that is fine. Sham, correct. Sham, did you get it, Sham, now?
Yeah,
But where did you get the 98? I don't get it.
I'm not sure.
Now you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Fourth question, I feel like everybody made a mistake. Fourth question, I didn't even get one correct answer. A directed line segment runs from this one. I solved it in that class, guys. Let's see. Because they also had the same question. I don't know. Minus 5, comma 7, minus 5, comma 7, 10, comma minus 8. That's B. So that is their line segment, right? Point P partitions this line segment in the ratio A is to B. The coordinates of P, oh my gosh, the coordinates of P is 4, comma minus 2. Okay, determine the simplest whole number A to B. Oh, wow. Okay. So this is just a reverse of what we did, right? To find that point, we don't know the ratio, right, guys? So, but what did we do? It starts from A in this direction, right? So minus 5 plus A by B, meaning A by A plus B, because that's the way we find out 1/5, 2/5, right? When there is a ratio A is to B, A by A plus B is the fractional part, right? A by A, what am I doing? I don't remember how I solved in the other class. Let's do this in this way and see. A by A plus B of the entire line segment length, right? 10 minus minus 7, 15 will be equal to 4. Does that make sense, guys? So that will be equal to 9 basically. A by A plus B will be equal to 9 by 15. 9, yeah, 9 by 15 I'm getting. So that will be equal to 3 by 5. Make sense? Okay, so I have A by A plus B will be equal to 3 by 5. Now, I did not do on the y coordinate, right? So I'll take the 7. I'll add what? A by A plus B ratio of the entire line, right? Minus 8 minus 7. What is that? Minus 8 minus 7 minus 15 basically. Right? That will be minus 2. Right? So what can I say about this? If it goes that side, it becomes minus 9. So A by A plus B will be equal to minus 9 by minus 15. Right? 3 and a 5. So again is a 3 and a 5. Oh my gosh. Okay. So what are they asking? Determine the simplest whole number for the ratio of A is to B. Simplest whole number for the ratio of A is to B. Okay. Oh, yeah. 3 by 5. We don't even need to consider this because we already got what is, let's see. I don't think this is required because we are arriving at the same answer, right? We'll see from here itself. So 5A will be equal to 3A plus 3B. I cross multiply. This is just ratio, right? Proportions. So 2A will be equal to 2a will be equal to 3b, I'm getting. Right? So what are they asking? Determine the simplest whole number ratio for a by b. A by b, right? I'm getting 3 by 2. What is the answer for this one? Simplest whole number ratio. Let me check, guys. What question did I give you? Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. 3 by 2. Correct. That's the answer. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall I move on by giving the homework or shall we do one more challenging problem? Guys, you tell me, it's your class. Okay. Shall we do one more challenge or can we move on?
We could try one more, I guess.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
With this, we'll move on. After this, we'll move on. Okay. But I'm going to give this as homework as well for you guys. Okay. Let's see. Try this. அப்படியா? Okay. Give me 1 minute, guys. I'll just be back. Vishnu Ram, if we go ahead with the extra class, right? Can your mom ping me whenever you're free? I'll get you up to speed. Mm-hmm. Shall I do it? Shall I do it on the board? Did you all get it? That's a tricky question. I can help, guys. See, find the midpoint, find the midpoint. Okay, find the midpoint M and N. Okay, find what are the points M and N. That should be easy. Okay, but for their intersection, find the equation of AN. You have 2 points, right? Find the equation of line AN, find the equation of line DM. If you find their equations, then you can find the intersection, right? Like what you did in algebra 1. Does that make sense? It is a tricky problem.
Hey, Auntie, can I go to the bathroom really quick?
Come quickly. Go. Sham, did you get it?
Not yet. I'm still solving.
Can I do it on the board?
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, n is what? This is basically midpoint, right? 12c by 2 is 6c, comma 2c. N is 3c, comma 4c. Any questions?
No.
Now, you all remember 2 points and a line is given for an. What is the equation of an? We are going to find the equation. How to find 2 points, right? What are the 2 points? A is 0, comma 4c. N is 6c, comma 2c, right? So how to find out the slope? Slope will be
Y1, Y2 minus Y1.
2c by minus 6c, which is
Negative 1 over 3C.
negative 1 over 3.
Oh, my bad. Right. The C's cancel.
Yeah. Yeah. So is there any easy way? No, you have to find the slope of the line. Yeah, that's the only way. Yeah, y equal to mx plus b, right? Y equal to mx plus b. We don't know b, right? But you know one point on the line, right? Can we substitute that? An, right? 0, comma 4c. Yama
Isn't B4?
4c, right?
Yeah, 4C.
I'm thinking it's 4c, yeah. 4c. So that's the equation of that line. Make sense?
Yeah.
Wait, I think I got it, but I don't know like if I actually like got the answer.
Doesn't matter, send, right?
Okay.
dm. You're going to find the equation. You have to be slow, that's all. D is
0, 0.
yeah, 3c, comma 4c. M, right? Now we have to find the slope again.
Wouldn't it just be 4 over 3?
That's what I'm thinking, yeah. And then the equation of the line will be 4 by 3x plus b, but can I substitute 0, comma 0? B is 0. You see what I mean?
That's 4 over 3x. Yeah.
Now it becomes easy. Intersection of the line, right? You're going to equate both of them. That's it. Because y, both are equal, right? Both the y's are equal. Because you have to find the point of intersection means that is the point that's common to both. So equate both. This is also y, this is also y. So you can equate both. 1 by 3x plus 4c will be equal to 4 by 3x. Easy, right, guys? Now, that will be 5 by 3x. 4c equal to 5 by 3x. Right? What will be the intersection point? 12 by 5. X will be equal to 12 by 5c. That is x. Right? If x is 12 by 5c, y will be equal to 4 by 3 times 12 by 5c. That's what I'm getting. Wow. Is it correct? I don't know. Let's see. That would be what, guys? 1 is 12 by 5c. This is x. Y will
So
be, I'm getting
16.
48 by 15, right?
It should be 16 by 5.
Yeah,
So
16 by 5.
C.
16 by 5, yeah.
If you simplify it.
Yeah.
Simplify
16.
16
I'm
by
so
5
sorry. Yes,
feet.
16 by 5. So that would be, this is 2.4, right? This is 3.2. Correct. Both are correct.
Oh,
The answer is 2.4c, comma 3.2c. That's the coordinate point. Make sense? That's the coordinate point of this. Make sense?
Yeah.
It was a tricky one. It was a difficult. They won't go to this level, but you should know. If you want to attend, if you don't want to prepare for PSAT separately for geometry, you should know. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Rest of the homework you can do at home, I feel, okay? Now I'm going to move on with something else. Yeah, I know some topics, 5.4 is not covered. I'm aware of it. Vishnu Ram, how about I just keep going for half an hour and let me know? I will ping your mom. We'll catch up sometime. Is that okay?
Or
Yeah, because I really think that I may not be available next week, so I don't want to put the class in distress. You see, you'll be waiting, not knowing whether we have class and all that stuff I don't want to do. So I'm thinking, why don't I deal with it now itself? Half an hour we'll have next week. Meaning the next week we'll not have class, but the next week we'll just have another half an hour so that I complete what I want to do.
what
Okay?
if I watch the recording?
You can, ma, but I feel guilty. So let's see. I'm okay with it, but let's see. I'm okay with it. If you want to do it that way, absolutely fine. But wait, guys, I'm searching for the geometry book. I had it here. That is also fine. Last half an hour, you can see, right? Vishnu Ram, that is there. We'll see Vishnu Ram. If you don't get it right, it's my duty to clarify as well. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
So you can let me know what happens. Your mom can let me know. Make
Wait,
sense?
Uh-huh.
wait. So we will have class next week, right?
Ilema. That's what Sarita I'm saying. Let's
Oh,
extend
okay.
this class. So if you're all okay, let's extend this class by half an
Yeah.
hour. Next week we'll take a break and then we'll meet the week after next with a half an hour more. You got it?
Okay.
So that way I really want to complete as well, right? Otherwise it'll keep on going. So now I know we have some constructions pending. We have some 5.4 and all pending. I know, okay, but we'll keep doing, okay. Every day if I talk about constructions, it'll move on as well. We'll try. If we can do a couple more constructions today. First we learn about, I want to learn about special parts of a triangle. Okay, this is chapter 7. Special parts of a triangle. Okay, now, do you know what are angle bisectors? Do you know what are angle bisectors?
Yeah.
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 Let's say a triangle like this. Okay. As a part of the homework before Vishnu Ram goes, right, I really want you to do this as a part of homework. I'm going to assign that, okay? Draw an obtuse acute. It can be an obtuse triangle, okay? Obtuse, acute, and a right triangle. Okay, I will draw angle bisectors. Left to me, meaning you know the side GeoGebra. How many of you know the side GeoGebra? Go to GeoGebra. Please do this. It will take time, okay? But then if you take time and figure out, you'll never forget what you did, okay? So I will draw angle bisectors. This one would be like this. Angle bisectors would be like this. Then this one would be like this. Right? Now, angle bisector means angle. It's going to bisect. Bisect means cut into two. Sect is to cut, bi is two, and then angle. It's going to divide the angle into two. So AH is the angle bisector of BC. I'm sorry, AH is the angle bisector of angle A. CD is the angle bisector of C. DF is the angle bisector of B. Okay, the markings show which angles are equal. Now, when I draw the angle bisectors of acute triangle, the meeting point, you know what is it called? Point of concurrency. Point of concurrency. What does it mean? Concurrent means they all meet at a point, right? Point of concurrency of the angle bisectors of a triangle. That is called point of concurrency of the angle bisectors is called the incenter. You know why? There's a reason for it. When you think about it, in GeoGebra, if you go ahead and draw, right? Here, they all meet at this point, right? Now I draw a perpendicular line. This need not be the same line as this. Now I draw a perpendicular line. It need not be the same as this angle bisector. I'm drawing a perpendicular line like this. It should have been like this, okay? I draw a perpendicular line like that, okay? To each of the base sides of the triangle. To my amazement, I see that I can draw a circle like this. in case of angle bisectors, what happens is from my center, from the point of concurrency, which is called the incenter, I drop, meaning literally when I draw perpendiculars to each of the sides of the triangle, it's interesting to see that those three distances are equal. So when the distances are equal, I can literally construct a radius and draw an incircle. Whenever this circle is inscribed in the triangle. The circle is inscribed in the triangle. Make sense, guys? Okay. So the circle as is called the incircle, and the point of concurrency is called incenter for the angle bisectors. Any questions?
Miss Priya, I have to go.
You can go, yes.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. But you have to let me know what you want to do.
Yeah, okay.
Any questions there? Any questions on this? Okay, similarly for an obtuse triangle, right? I really want to try. See, for an obtuse triangle, if you try, right, you have to nicely draw angle bisectors. This is my angle bisector. This is my angle bisector. This won't come out good, okay? You need to draw it properly, okay? Angle bisector. Now, you see, now what happens? I have to draw a line, a perpendicular to the base, right? I have to draw a perpendicular to the base. Yeah. Then you have this one. Now, it's interesting to see that a triangle can be drawn like this. So like this, if you do it in GeoGebra, it will give you perfectly, okay? So clearly, these are angle bisectors. However, it's amazing to see that this radius is equal. The distance, meaning the perpendicular distance to each of the bases from the incenter is equal. So I can call that as the in radius. Any question, guys? That's called the in radius. This is called the incenter. The circle is called the incircle. Any questions? Any questions? Can I move on? Okay, did we go over Heron's formula to find the area of a triangle? Did we discuss Heron's formula to find the area of a triangle? No?
I don't know.
Okay. You know the formula, right, with you? Given a triangle of sides A, B, C. Given a triangle of sides A, B, C. How do you define a semi-perimeter? What is a semi-perimeter? The name says, you can say, what is semi-perimeter?
Half the perimeter.
Half the perimeter. So A plus B plus C by 2. Any questions here? Now the area of the triangle given sides ABC can be given, this guy found out, can be given as square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Any questions here? Any questions here? This is called Heron's formula. S is the semi-perimeter. The area of the triangle can be given as S times S, square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Any questions here? Clear? Can I move on? Okay. This is very easy, just plugging in, right? I don't want to discuss problems now on this. However, I'll go back to my triangle within radius. I was drawing the angle bisectors, right? I'm going to go there. I want you to do a proof now. Okay, this is my acute triangle, ABC. Now, as I said, right, you're going to draw the angle bisectors. You're going to draw the angle bisectors. I drew the angle bisectors. The point of concurrency was called the incenter. Then what did I do? I started drawing the see, the thing is that may not be the angle bisector line. Okay, I'm drawing perpendicular. It will definitely not be the angle bisector line. Okay. See, now fortunately or unfortunately, I'll be able to draw the in circle like this. Let the in center be marked as I. Now, when I think about it, right, this is R, this is R, this is R. How do you calculate the area of this? How do you calculate the area of this triangle? What is the area of this triangle? Can I say the area of this triangle is area of triangle IBC plus area of triangle CIA plus area of triangle BIA. Any questions here? What is the area of triangle IBC? I'm just splitting it into three. This triangle, that triangle, that triangle. Now, what is the area of triangle IBC? Half times the perpendicular. What is the perpendicular distance? R times what? The area of the triangle, and the sides are, remember, Heron's formula we studied. So I'm just naming them as ABC. Now, what is the area of the shaded, black shaded triangle? Who can tell me the area? Half times
AR.
R times A. What is the area of triangle CIA? Ritisha, are you here? What is the area of triangle CIA?
Half times R times B.
Yep, R times B. What is the area of BIA? Half times R times C. Can I regroup this and write? I can take half times R common. This is A plus B plus C. Make sense, guys?
Mhm.
What is A plus B plus C by 2? What is A plus B plus C by 2?
The semi-perimeter.
Semi-perimeter.
Yep. So area of this triangle with the angle bisector, meaning I'm drawing angle by this triangle will be equal to R times S. Any questions? So the in radius is given by area of the full triangle divided by the semi-perimeter. It's a proof, guys. School, these are all not going to be discussed in school. Okay, it's far beyond school level. Can we move on?
Yeah.
Okay. But this one is, I don't know when it comes in the book, but yeah, I thought of deriving then and there. Can I move on? Okay. Now, we talked about angle bisectors, right? So let's see this one. You're going to prove this again. You're going to tell me what similarity or what congruence is all this, okay? Now, line M is the perpendicular bisector. You're going to draw, please. What line? It's not line. Line M. Line M is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay. Now, if C is on M, if point C is on M, then CA equal to CB. Prove this. Then prove CA equal to CB. I can do this. I can just draw the diagram. Line M.
Wait, Briandy?
Yeah.
Would it be like an isosceles triangle? Kind of.
Kind of, yes. Line M is the perpendicular bisector. Line M is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector, please let's mark it. Perpendicular bisector, I'll mark it. If point C is on M, this is M, right? Point C is somewhere here. Then how do you prove that CA equal to CB? How, guys? Tell me. You have to prove CA equal to CB. Tell me. This is
SAS congruence.
yeah. Statement, reasoning. So what do? First given what? Is a perpendicular bisector, right? So I can say COA, angle COA equal to BOC equal to 90 degree. Perpendicular, right? Right? But I don't want to jump like this, okay? I really want to write it properly. Statement is I will go from the given. What is given? M is the perpendicular bisector AB of AB, right? Given. So what? Perpendicular bisector means COA equal to COB. COA equal to COB equal to 90 degree. What does that mean? Definition of perpendicular. Then you can as well say AO equal to OB. Why? Definition of bisector. Okay. We have written everything now. So what did we write? AO equal to OB, and then this is equal to 90 degree we have done. What else I can write? OC equal to CO. What property is that?
Reflexive.
Reflexive property. So now I can say triangle COA is
Congruent to
yeah,
COB by SAS.
CBO by what? So by what? Side, angle, side. SAS congruence. Any questions, guys? So since they are congruent, you can say CA is congruent to CB by what? Who can say this? CA is congruent to CB. Why? Why, guys? What congruence? What is that? CA equal to CB. We proved that SAS congruence to triangles are congruent. But beyond that, why CA equal to CB? What do we call that?
CPCTC.
CPCTC. Thank you, guys. CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. That's it. Can I move on? Okay. Um. mm, how about this, guys? Okay. Let's say if AC is equal to BC, in this diagram, if AC is equal to BC, if AC is equal to BC, if AC is equal to BC, then C is on the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay. Given AC equal to BC is congruent to BC. To prove C is on the perpendicular bisector to AB. How to prove that? You guys are going to tell me, please. Think about it. Huh? What is it? Badram. Do you want to try, guys, that proof? Shall we try the proof?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try the proof. This one is AC equal to BC. Yep. I really need to understand what congruence or what. E is on the perpendicular bisector to AB. E is on the perpendicular bisector to AB. That's what we need to prove. We know, see, also, see, see, M is the midpoint is given. They're also given M is the midpoint. Oh, Swarit, good job, Swarit. Just now I saw that answer 12 by 5, 16 by 5. See. Okay. Shall we, guys, this is an easy one, right? Should I do or should you do? What congruence it is? See, AC, yeah. So we have been given these two, right? One is black marked. One is red mark. We've been given that. So what happens? We just need to prove C is on the perpendicular bisector. C is on the perpendicular bisector. Okay. Guys, should I do or should you do, ma? Please tell me, ma. Hey, guys, I'm asking you. Sometimes I feel whether I'm muted.
Can you do it, please?
Sure, I can do it. That's what I'm asking. Okay, so given, okay, statement, reason. Now, AC is congruent to BC, given. M is the midpoint. Given. That means AM is congruent to MB. Definition of midpoint. Now what? Now what? This is side. This is side. What else? CM is congruent to MC. What does that mean? Reflexive property. So what, guys? I can say
CMB is congruent to CMA.
CAM is congruent to what, ma? CBM.
EBM.
Yep. Triangle. They're congruent. What congruence is that? SSS.
SSS.
Yeah. Now what do? We need to prove that C is a perpendicular bisector. First of all, for me to, perpendicular, okay? It's already bisector, we know. But we have to prove that it's a perpendicular bisector. See, this is a straight line. AB is a straight line. So MAMB has to be 180 degrees. That means if these two triangles are congruent, automatically this angle is equal to this angle. Correct?
Yeah.
So now we know that AMC, angle AMC plus BMC is 180 degree. Why? Because it's a straight line. AB is a straight line, right?
So does that make angle BMC and AMC both 90?
Yep. So BMC will be equal to AMC equal to 90 degrees. Right?
Yeah.
Yep. They both are, first of all, they're congruent, right? AMC is congruent to BMC. Why? That we did not write. See, angle AMC is congruent to angle BMC. I forgot to write that. Why? Because CPCTC. Makes sense, guys? With all this in place, BMC is equal to AMC is equal to 90 degree. That means what? We already know it bisects. That is where the perpendicular bisector of AB. Any questions? Can I move on? Okay. Now I would like to go with, what did we discuss? We discussed angle bisectors, right? We will discuss 4 important special segments of triangles. We just went over one. What is it we went over? Angle bisectors. In angle bisectors, we had the point of concurrency as in center, in circle, in radius. Correct? Now we are going to go to perpendicular bisectors. That's interesting. Perpendicular bisectors, let's see. This is an acute triangle, right? Perpendicular bisectors. Ah, wow. Okay, that cannot be drawn like that. You see, perpendicular bisectors cannot be drawn from the vertex. Perpendicular bisectors means it's going to cut exactly into half. And it has to be perpendicular as well, right? Let's try this. This is my triangle. I want to draw the perpendicular bisector. For this side, first let me draw the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means it has to be equal, it has to be perpendicular as well. That's the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, I have the side BC. I need to draw the perpendicular bisector, right? I don't know, I'm getting it. Okay, then I need to draw the perpendicular bisector of which one? CA. They're not meeting at a point. What nonsense. Maybe just 1 second, guys. See, that's why we need to do it in GeoGebra. Then that becomes entirely distinct, entirely different. So this one, I'm going to draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so it matches here. Makes sense, guys? This is the point of concurrency of the perpendicular bisectors. Are you all with me, guys? Are you feeling like sleeping? Okay, point of concurrency, the perpendicular, see, perpendicular bisectors are not from vertex. Okay, we are just drawing perpendicular and bisectors, that's all. Perpendicular and bisectors, perpendicular and bisectors. Make sense? Okay, now this is the perpendicular bisector. Important thing now. We talked about angle bisectors. Then what did we do? We drew perpendiculars from that incenter to the bases, right? Those became the radii of the incircle. Here, we drew the perpendicular bisectors and there was a point of concurrency. That point of concurrency is called the circumcenter. You need to memorize these guys, at least the concept, the terms and all you need to memorize. Point of concurrency, the circumcenter. Now, you know what? One interesting thing, I'm going to draw from the vertex, I'm going to connect to the incenter. From the vertex, I'm going to connect to the incenter. From the vertex, I'm going to connect to the incenter. You know what? It's amazing to see that those sides are all of equal length. Any questions, guys? Now, what happens here? With that as radii, I can draw a circle, right? That circle is circumscribed around the triangle, right? So this is called the circumcircle. Okay. Then this point of concurrency is called the circumcenter, right? What is this radii then? That is called the circumradius. Any questions? It's always represented by a capital R. If you consider the sides of the triangle are A, B, and C, I can say that the circumradius or area of the triangle will be equal to ABC by 4R. ABC by 4R. There's a proof for this. I don't want to go to that proof now. Okay, let's see. Or if we want, we can do as well. You know what? I had written the proof somewhere before the class. Yes, that's not there in the book, guys. Did you get it? Perpendicular bisectors, point of concurrency is called the circumradius. You get the concept of circumradius in it. Okay, the area of the triangle is given by ABC by 4R. Any questions? But you know how? I'm just saying this is the formula and you cannot accept it as it is, right? We'll try, yeah? Let's try. I'm going to prove it. Okay, this class you can learn. Okay, if it is advanced geometry class, I don't discuss these proofs. I don't even discuss this formula. But this is not required from the school perspective. But we are doing A of geometry, okay? So I'm going to draw a triangle, draw perpendicular bisectors. That's the meeting point. Now I'm going to do what? So now I'm drawing the perpendicular bisectors, right? So what do? Then I just extend it to the vertex. I just extend it to the vertex. I just extend this to the vertex. Now, with that as radius, R, R, R. With that as radius, I draw the circle. Yeah, circle is circumscribed. Okay. The radius is inscribed. You get it? The triangle is inscribed. You got it? Whatever is inside, touching the other object is inscribed. Triangle is inscribed. But you're talking about the circle now. A circle, thank you, is circumscribed. And that's why this is called, what is this called then? What radius is this? Circumradius. Any questions? This is on the perpendicular bisectors. Point of concurrency of the perpendicular. See, that's why I'm splitting this unit. Okay, this is a hard unit. Okay, we are just discussing angle bisectors and perpendicular bisectors for today. Okay, we leave a gap. Be thorough with this. We are learning a lot of formulas as well. And then we'll go to medians and altitudes. Okay, it's in detail. See, the MC class was so crisp, right, Vidyut? So short on all these, yes. So now we got this, right? We got this radii. Now, you know what? The area of the triangle ABC, I'm going to draw this as, okay, I want the same things that I did in before the class. So area of the triangle ABC will be equal to ABC. The sides of the, this is side A, this is side B, this is side C. Up, on the, 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. Okay. Did you get it, guys? ABC by 4R. Did you guys get it? This is a formula. Does it make sense? Okay. But I gave you the formula directly, right? Again, I really want this class to do a proof on it. Okay. How the area of the entire triangle, the entire triangle, I'm going to discuss that. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to draw a perpendicular from C to the opposite vertex. I'm going to draw a perpendicular from C to the opposite vertex. Any questions here? I'm going to name the point as H. Okay. Now, the area of triangle, this I'm going to keep it very safely. Area of triangle ABC will be equal to half times AB times HC. Are you all with me? Okay. What is the side AB? Can I call it as C half times C times HC? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, I'm going to move on, guys. Okay, this proof is a little complex, but we'll finish it quickly. Okay. Now, okay. Think about this. I'm going to draw one second, guys. I'm going to draw the diameter. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Area will be equal to half times C times HC. Okay, I'm going to draw the diameter of this circle. I'm going to draw the diameter of this circle. Any questions, guys? Okay. When I draw the diameter of this circle, a couple of new things are coming into picture. When I will draw this triangle B, C, and then this diameter. See, this triangle. I'm going to call this point as D. Any questions? Now, can I call BD as 2R? Can I call BD as 2R? You're all with me? Okay. Now, a couple of things here. Okay. It's a circle, right? A couple of things before I move on to the proof. Okay. If I draw the diameter, right, the angle of a triangle made by the diameter. The inscribed angle. Inscribed angle means touching the circle, right? The angle touches the circle, right? The angle, the inscribed angle made by the diameter of the circle is always 90 degrees. Meaning if it's a diameter, if you're going to inscribe a triangle, then that angle is 90 degrees. Make sense? That is one logic that we will come back later to circle. For now, you need to know. Any circle, if you go through the diameter and then make an inscribed triangle, that angle is 90 degree. That is one thing you need to know. The second thing you might want to know is one more. Let's see. What is that? Suppose if I have a card, you'll know a card, right? Card can inscribe how many ever number of angles you want, it can inscribe. You see, a card can inscribe any number of angles. All these angles are equal if they are inscribed by the same card. Any questions? Okay, these two are new concepts from circles. Okay, we will get there. Okay, not now though. Now, that being the case, what can you tell about? See, this is the diameter. This is a triangle inscribed. So can I say that this is also 90 degrees, guys? Make sense? Okay. So this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. What else? Okay. We can prove that, yeah, we can prove triangle AHC is similar to triangle what? Triangle AHC. So short, okay. CDB. Any questions here? I can prove triangle AHC is similar to CDB. Any questions there? Any questions there? A similarity. You can do that by A similarity. Can I move on? Guys, can I move on? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what is that I can frame? Can I frame CH by, I am considering, if we are gone, we can continue this next week as well. CH by AC. CH, let's see. CH by AC. For this triangle, I'm considering CH by AC. AC is what? B, right? CH is this altitude by the hypotenuse will be equal to, for the other triangle, what happened? We need to find the altitude and the hypotenuse. BD by CB. BD wait. BD by CB. CH BD by CB. Correct. BD CH by AC. CH by AC means, okay, this is CH by the hypotenuse. Oh, wow. Okay, that will be equal to BD by BD BC by BD. That will be equal to CH by B will be equal to what is BC? A by BD. BD is 2R, right? I can substitute that. So CH will be equal to AB by 2R. Now plug this in here. A will be equal to half C AB by 2R. A will be equal to ABC by 4R. That proof is hard. Right, guys? but this is how you derive the formula for the circumradius. For now, what you can see is you don't have to take this in. It's a little hard. I understand. We can go over it once more. For now, just know the formula for the circumradius is this. Area of the triangle ABC will be equal to the sides of the triangle, product of the sides of the triangle by 4 times circumradius. You can have that memorized. Any question? We will do the proof again. Any questions? Okay. Can I stop here? That was long and was a little hard. Yes. That's okay. We just learned about angle bisectors and perpendicular bisectors. Okay. We'll learn a lot more next week. Shall I stop here? This is chapter 7. Okay. Next week we may not have class, guys. The next week. Okay.
Bye, Priya auntie.
Okay, bye, guys. See you all soon.
Bye, auntie.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Have a nice time in school.
Yep.
You're all, getting
Yes.
started with school. Yeah, bye-bye.
Auntie.
Yes, I'm here.
So if we don't have class next week, I think so I'm going on a
Scouts.
camp, yeah,
No
from
problem.
the 21st to 23rd.
Don't worry. I will not extend the class. The next week I'll do.
Okay.
I'm
'Cause
glad you told me.
okay.
I'll try not to when somebody else is somebody's absent.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just do the class and then we'll continue it the week after next. Don't worry. Please remind me even if I forget. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. So nice.
Thank,
Have a nice time in Scouts and come back quick.
thank you, Auntie.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Miss Priya, I wanted to add, one of my friends, they said they wanted to take the AMC 10 because we're going to 9th grade, so I think they're gonna take the 10. And they like asked me to help them like study in a way. And I was like thinking, I don't like what should I teach them? So I was gonna ask you like what topics,
Correct.
could I teach them? Yeah.
AMC10. Did you look at the papers? Are you doing AMC10?
I don't know if I should do it with her. If my friend says she wants me to do it with her, I could, and then I could like take the classes and then help her, if that's okay. Or I could recommend the classes to her.
Anything is okay. Okay. No. I don't do AMC10 at all.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't
thought-
have. I do AMC. See, I did AMC. Whenever I have time, I add those classes. That's all. Okay. For summer, I did. I'm not going to do for the fall.
Oh, okay.
But I'll help you, right? What big deal, right? See, for AMC10, right? Do you know where are the question papers?
Isn't it on, let's say, AOPS? I could find them.
Yeah, Ritisha. AOPS, you can find them. First, find them, okay? First, do
Okay.
on paper and see. The thing is, you need to be good with combinatorics, counting probability, and number theory. You know them?
Can you say what was it again? I know number 3. I didn't hear the other one.
Counting probability.
Probability I'm good with. I don't know what counting probability is. I don't think I've heard the term though.
There's a lot of new concepts in it. Modular arithmetic.
I think what I'll do is maybe I'll look at the question papers, do
Yes.
some problems, and then teach those problems to my friend and see it like that.
Yes, that you do, but that involves a lot of new concepts, not just see, there is a lot of new theorems coming in, Sheva's theorems, Stewart's theorem, Manila's theorem. There are a lot of new things coming if you jump into MC10. What is the best way to get started? I'm just wondering.
If it helps my friend, she got last year on PSAT, she had a full score for math, so I think she's good on her math skills.
I see. Lima, see, the problem is it's not at all related to school math. You see,
I know that, yeah. I tried to